I got a lot of work to do. So you guys can see over here, check it out. This is the part of the yard that I'm actually cutting in. And yeah, let's get the key. Follow me again. There we go, come over here. So this is the part of the yard we're actually doing a bunch of the work in right now. And as you can see, we've got trees cut down, tons of work that needs to be done. It's all part of just keeping it up. Now, the reason I'm actually filming right now is I wanted to actually show you, this is the Hohem gimbal, and I'm gonna take the phone off here in a second and actually show you the gimbal itself without the phone on it. But the fact that it's got AI tracking on it, that I can simply walk around, it's going to follow me around and let me do whatever it is that I need to be doing. And it's almost like having your own camera guy watching you and filming you. Now, the other cool thing about it is I can turn the AI tracking off with a simple hand gesture. It turns the tracking off. Did you notice it didn't follow me? Turn it back on. There we go. Simple as that. Framing, all this stuff, it's really cool. The simple hand gestures and everything work really good with this Hohem gimbal. And so I'm actually going to show it to you right now so you can see what it looks like. The gimbal right here, this is the Hohem iSteady. This one right here is actually really cool. This is made for iPhone or Androids. Now you'll notice this little module right here. This is magnetic. It does pop off. So it actually has its own power source that it draws directly from the gimbal, and it simply just snaps back in place. This is the AI sensor. So whenever I'm giving the hand gestures and everything, this is what's actually picking me up, and it's also at the same time tracking me. Simple to use. I love this thing. They give you definite instructions all over this thing that shows you exactly how to use it. The other cool part about it is if you want to control it manually and you're not near it, this whole section right here pops off. So now you've got a remote in your hands. You can remote control with this joystick here, the actual gimbal, and get it going. So magnetizes in, works really good. So you just snap that guy back in there, you're good to go. All of your controls. You've got your focal zoom here, and then over here on this side you got your trigger for actually working through many of the different functions. Absolutely love this gimbal. It's awesome. There are jackets, as you can see there in my hands. But again, look at it. It folds up nice and neatly. I do have it mounted to a tripod. It does have a hidden tripod in the handle, so if you don't necessarily have a tripod, you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, anybody want to come over and help pick up all these tree limbs and logs and everything? I don't think I might get any takers.